I always salute give all of una when they look me koro, they watch me wine. On top of the Chairman television station, on top of Wazobia TV, on top Star Times, channel 195. And this na the Ogbonge program wey give you license to talk am as e dey be you for body, as e dey hot. Today will be Monday, the 23rd day in the month of February 2015. We don't carry another Ogbonge topic come. We go come out plenty smoke as we go to discuss. We get one Ogbonge guest. We go join us inside studio to chook mouth for on top of this matter. But until he come, we go keep him as a surprise. We go first look some of the important things wey happen for this our country politic arrangement over the weekend first. When we chook mouth on top, we go enter the cocoa of the matter we go discuss today. My name na Ezugo Chukwudi, and as una don see from full screen, I no dey alone inside studio. I dey with my brother wey sabi well as e take concern the matter as e dey hot.
Yes, good morning, correct country people, and welcome to another week edition of As E Dey Hot. Chukwudi don at least pour water for grind. Don't tell una wetin we dey look into today. We dey look a review of wetin happen over the weekend, the political issues of wetin happen over the weekend. And Chukwudi, point of correction. No, they always make viewers understand. Say, look, nobody in the studio. I don't be tell you this thing before. Say, look, there's no point telling viewers, say, nobody in the studio. Say, you also get your co-anchor or your co-host or your co-presenter, anything. Just throw on to me straight up. I will catch on, chest on, then I will introduce myself. My name never still change. My name now Unkubi, and this is now As E Dey Hot.
If you go make you sleep well for night, take am. Because una dey always dey politicize every issue. I dey always dey talk am. Wetin bad for me to talk say you dey inside studio and people know say you. I don't come on Nigerians. No, my hands are clean.
Okay.
Unless you get ulterior motive.
On what ground? Ulterior motives on what ground?
Now you go talk because I don't understand.
Anyway, make we not to speak English. Make we not to speak. Make we look. Over the weekend, wetin happened. Yes, first thing first. Make we first look the one way Oga Ayo Fayose,
the governor of
Ekiti State. That way tell way come out as usual. No, say don't be talk one before. He still now like part 2 of what he talk before. He still come talk. Say look, say Buhari, that is the presidential aspirant of APC. Oga Muhammad Buhari say he no go do it. He no go be president. I can't wonder when say hey, sometimes when one person tell you something, you could wonder why this person could make this kind of statement. Say no, make no business total hate all this like where you get for the person. But if you can also look the details, can't read them down, can't see in own reason why they talk this thing. Well, because no be as to take stand for a headline, no be say be inside.
Sensationalism now. Now so, people when now journalists them, and then they arrange it like that.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes, we dey try rub minds. So the idea of our journalists, who be this journalist?
Me and you know they rub.
We dey rub minds.
Me and you know they rub minds.
We know they rub minds.
You know they rub minds.
I don't know a couple of times for this program we go talk say look, Nkubi for the first time. Anyway, and every time they always be the first time. I'd always make correct statements.
Anytime when you talk,
there's no second time. There's no third time.
Anytime when you talk,
there's no fourth time.
I go tell Nigerians for the first time.
True. Indeed, no true. Now your own mouth is full, abi. So make we look the matter.
Governor Ayodele Fayose of Ekiti State, the man don't go spiritual. Even for the statement, he don't say he be Elijah, and the people when be say he followers they be Elisha. He explain am say. He be like say somehow the APC then they try play one game because he talk in the first one he talk he say Oga Muhammadu Buhari, the presidential candidate of the APC, say na hospital na him go for London. This recent na hospital he go even beat in chest. Say if General Muhammadu Buhari retired, no say no be hospital he go make him carry the Holy Quran, make him take and swear. Imagine say he no go hospital. But me I dey always dey talk am. There is always an element of truth in every rumor.
Wait.
If Ayodele Fayose, remember, I go break am down. Ayodele Fayose na the same person when come and talk say, he talk am like no,
say he
go return back to the office of governor of Ekiti State. In return,
In
no
talk
return.
that one they different from what we talk about.
Thank you very much.
No.
It's a prophecy.
You know, in the prophesize for himself, but in this case, he no get the right. Can't they prophesize for somebody? Now you, as an individual, do define the kind of prophecy will go up for you.
But
so, young man,
if the prophecy work, if the prophecy work before,
the opposition
then it's possible that it will work again.
Opposition don't come and talk say, look, oh, they say nothing of such happen. Say, he no go any London, say, go collect any medical treatment. Say, look, he just go London. So, why not they always find fault for one or two things where Oga Mohammed Buhari do?
Thank you very much.
Because
he just go London.
Yes, yet. From the picture where you see, not saying they're healthy. They waka about and this thing. He's healthy.
They waka about. Person they waka about this picture. No be still motion. You saying they waka in the video.
The footage is where you see. The pictures where you see. No, you stand for this position. Say I stand for that position. Say I stand for this other position. Say does that person, does it look like a sick person?
He for lie down now. He for lie down.
Does it look like a sick person?
You say he for lie down. He for lie down. Person they go toilet for nothing. Answer that question.
No, it's a natural thing to go toilet.
For waiting now. Waiting that they go
you
toilet.
You know they go toilet.
Go do waiting.
No, answer that question.
Go do waiting.
You answer them. Now you
person they go church for nothing. There's always a reason. There's emotion. There's emotion behind every action. Now you tell me say he just dey, he won't go London. To for waiting. Now for fresh air. Fresh air when we say Oga Jonah government don't give us for this country. We don't see am.
Fresh air where Oga Jonah provide for Nigerians abi.
Last week 2 times 9 rainfall for the month of February is a new thing. All this thing follow by the transformation. All this thing follow by the transformation. Say rain they even dey fall for February.
Young man, make una no dey find fault in anything wey we do. Make act now dey go say that we dey tackle una. But right now, you see am, person go London, na problem. Shey na problem, tell me.
What is the reason?
Must he come out to tell you the reason why he went to London?
Thank you very much.
What is that? Why? And what if he's visiting London just for visiting sake?
You see, you know wetin? May I tell you something? You visiting London for visiting sake.
Yes, never can tell.
Going to toilet for going to toilet sake. Going to church for going to church sake. May I tell you something? Sweater, agbada, parachute, you know if you cover pregnancy. You know why? Because we go see am.
For information.
See, no matter
for your information, you got a lot of pregnancy where you go know na pregnant the person born.
Now you get eye problem.
Me,
you get eye problem.
People go attest to that.
Which
we don't see people say they get belly. No say get belly.
You know why?
Until they're born.
You know why people?
So no, that your parachute, that your that you know what?
You know why people no go know? You know why people no go know?
No even give me reason why people no go know.
For example, your wife get belly now.
No, you say your wife get belly. Because I don't say that your example. You know go make sense eventually.
I will use your wife.
Use your wife.
It's my example. I will use your wife.
Use your wife as
I will use your wife.
Use your wife for example. Your wife get belly.
Your landlord no know.
Your landlord no know.
No, they repeat what they
Why no go repeat? Why go they use my wife? Why go they use my landlord?
Is it?
Your landlord no know.
No be my example.
Okay, fine. Let's go.
Your wife get belly.
Your wife get belly.
Your landlord no know.
Your landlord no know.
Your wife come born.
Your wife come born.
You now overlap.
Overlap waiting. Your wife come born. Talk now.
You overlap.
You dey vex. Your wife come born.
Okay, I leave the example.
Better.
We'll go the next story.
Good.
But your wife get belly. Your wife come born.
Your wife come born. Right on. Till they get out.
The next story when we go. You be like saying a war you carry come today.
Now you start the war now. Now you start the war.
I don't talk as I need
now
police
you
protection.
Start the war.
Okay. Our next story na the interview when Oga Presido Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, the uncommon changer, the transformer, the man that has changed the destiny of this country.
We don't see in the life of Nigeria.
Thank you very much. Everybody don't see him. Except people when get Apollo. He come and talk say somehow. Now English he speak. I and my people underestimated Boko Haram.
You see,
wait now.
In they shoot himself for food.
Sensationalism.
In they shoot himself for level that kind talk. You know why I said in they shoot himself for.
You read the story finish.
Wait, I'm not into the headline.
Oh.
In they shoot himself for leg.
Nigerians, can you see?
In they shoot himself for leg.
Nigerians, can you see?
Why Mr. President will come and make that kind of statement? Say he underestimated Boko Haram. Why would he come out? Boko Haram done the race since how long? Okay, 4 years. When you say under your government, or rather 6 years, they don't scatter things. They kill. You don't underestimate that time. It can't be now. Now you want to underestimate. Which underestimation factor be that?
Thank you very much.
Where the underestimation factor come from?
Thank you very much.
Who can't talk with that?
You don't ask question. Make an answer now. The first known The first known incident of attack when Boko Haram carry out was in 2002.
Yes, okay.
If you can't do
Was
the
there no
calculation,
was there no action? Okay, even when you can't do things so popular to the point, they say, our Oga president with that time, Shey no take some action. They say he arrest the leader.
Thank you.
So what has the present government done? What has the present government done?
Oga, no make mistake. Oh.
Yes.
2002. Now still under the reign of Chief Olusegun Obasanjo. Remember the time when they catch the leader of Boko Haram? Now 2009.
Under who?
7 years. Wait, excuse me. Let me laugh. Don't tell me yes. Don't tell me yes.
Yes, talk.
Don't tell me yes.
Why won't I tell you yes?
Don't tell me yes.
Why won't I tell you
Not
yes?
immediate talk.
So
allow me to talk my talk.
Yes.
Now, until after 7 years, now they can't use catch the leader of Boko Haram. That is to tell you that Boko Haram became a monster. Boko Haram became a monster.
Who catch the leader? The later Yar'Adua catch the leader. Beautiful.
Who tell you say I catch him?
Who catch him?
That's a fallacious statement.
Who catch him?
Our armed forces, when they
under
work,
the leadership of who now?
Thank you. Now what you go talk?
Under the leadership of
now
who?
what you go talk?
Okay, fine. Under the leadership
when I
of
come
who?
here talk
But
say
right
we
now,
pursue Ebola.
let us address.
When I come here talk say we pursue Ebola.
Who carry Ebola for head pass? No be Lagos State.
Who tell say they carry
Lagos State. Lagos State.
Nigerians.
For your information, Lagos State.
Make
Now they address the issue of Ebola.
Excuse
No, they bring federal.
Make I ask you question now.
No ask me. No ask me.
I know say you go like this example because you go suit
I don't want example.
If your pikin make okay, may I use my if my pikin make first class.
Yes, wait, so
you understand? For engineering. Course when we say is strong but because of the improvement we don't see for our universities under the administration of Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, my pikin comes my pikin sabi book because me I sabi book. My pikin come make first class for engineering. People go look, talk say you are a man like your father because your father taught you well. You collected the good blood from your father. But you, if your pikin
make first class.
not be first class.
That's in first class.
No. When I use that for my
No. Now me they claim am. That first class, now my pikin.
Why you go to claim on a prayer point? Which prayer you claim?
That first class, now my pikin.
If your pikin do bad thing for school now, they
in fact, okay, stop your example. Go ahead. Let's go into the next thing. Rather, we are still talking about this. I don't want that your example. I don't just want it.
Okay.
So still on this same matter, let us tell ourselves some good truth.
Don't tell me any truth.
Mr. Oga,
excuse me.
No. Let us tell ourselves some good truth.
Point of correction.
Let us tell ourselves some good truth.
Point of correction.
Oga President come and talk say he underestimated the set Boko Haram. Okay, fine. Boko Haram right from the onset, okay, right from under your own leadership, don't they kill, they destroy properties.
Before
Wait, hold on.
Under his
government, now can't they worse part.
No.
Under his government, now don't see the worst attack so far. What are you saying?
Thank you very much.
So yet, you're the first thing, you don't say anything. You don't underestimate them. Second year, you don't underestimate them. Third, you don't underestimate. It can't be now where election don't they draw near. You don't find alternative. Now you can't say they are underestimate and can't they launch serious attack on them. What can excuse me that?
Make I ask you one question.
People don't die inside the car. People don't die inside the car.
Excuse me.
What are you saying?
Let me ask you one question.
Don't ask me. Don't keep asking me questions.
You get some elements when come out talk say, you know, so many factors. I go speak English now. Now strong word I won't use. So many factors. They mitigate. They mitigate against the fight against insurgency. Okay. I don't want to use, excuse me, I don't want to use
Boko Haram now. If they say so many factors, who is the commander-in-chief of the armed forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria?
Thank you very much.
Who they give order? Who they cause, I want this thing to be done this way. Who will say, under now you appoint the chief of army staff, appoint all the military people. So what are you saying?
Thank you very much. Just last week, this weekend went past. Our able military people, our soldier people, I go calm down, talk this one. I don't want rush. Make I do my suit well. I go close my eyes.
No.
Our soldier people, so many of them don't pay the ultimate and the supreme price.
Yes, we all know that.
No, tell me say we all know that. You don't know it. You don't know because if you don't know it,
I know.
If you don't
we all know that.
If you don't know it, you don't know going to talk
about
it.
We all know that. Continue.
We have taken back Bagatan.
Okay.
Baga.
Okay.
When we say these insurgents, they don't take over now since the
January 2nd, January 3rd, yes.
Remember, say after they take over Baga, the Oga of Boko Haram, he released video when he displayed some of our weapons.
Then
the
take
weapons
over,
of our army.
then take,
When he talks,
then
he
take
go use
over
the same
Baga.
weapons overall Nigeria.
Okay. Wetin the
But
army
we
do?
don't take over Baga.
They don't take
Excuse
over
me.
Baga. Hold on. They don't take over Baga. Okay, right from January 3rd, when Boko Haram invade Baga, we then pursue the military, we then take over there. Waiting and waiting, the government don't do.
Thank you.
Why you can't be say
Thank
now 6 weeks? You can't declare extend the election by 6 weeks. Now you can't say you won't fight that fight. When you no gree fight that time.
Thank you very much.
What make you not fight that fight that time?
Thank you very much. So many
What
factors.
are the excuses you keep giving us? When you make you fight that fight?
So many
that
factors.
time?
So many factors.
Say arms no day.
Number one.
Say arms no
Number
day.
one.
No, say arms no day.
Our sister African nations, we need their collaboration. See,
Why is everything working at this point in time?
because people don't see, say now, we need to tame the monster.
Why at this point of the election?
You say which point?
Yes.
Because,
Why now election don't they draw now?
because you see, election,
To take credit, Abi.
okay. Shebi
No, to take credit, say yes, you're doing your job.
Calm down.
But all this while you are not doing anything.
Calm down.
That is it. That is what it means.
Calm down. Shebi they talk say Borno State na the capital of Boko Haram.
I dey hear you. Come.
But we don't see some of una activities.
Una activity.
Una
activities.
You must accept this one.
You go accept that. Now, you don't already accept them already.
We don't see some of una activities for that state. Even one knockout. See, Nigerians, we are not stupid.
No. Right on.
Even one knockout.
Right on, I dey hear
we
you.
know here. One person, they no slap. One punch, they no throw. They no even set leg for person make you even fall down. Yet. See, Nigeria, I go commando. I get military intelligence.
So,
calm down.
right on, I dey hear you.
You now people when no sabi soldier things. Now they
Talk wetin you want talk. Talk wetin you want talk. Talk wetin you want talk.
You understand?
Talk wetin you want talk.
People like us wey no fall like a mango tree, wey don't climb things.
I think we no fall like a mango tree. Where would they do our own service? I think we no get military training. Where would they do our own NYSC?
Thank you.
NYSC. What NYSC? Yes. NYSC. Yes.
That NYSC when you mention now.
Yes.
Why you get confidence to fit mention NYSC? Because of wetin Oga Goodluck Ebele Jonathan.
How long NYSC don dey?
You say wait.
Under whose era NYSC don dey? Under whose era? All right, they introduce all those military training.
How much our NYSC people dey collect?
In my own era, I no collect wetin that they collect. What are you saying?
Thank you. In your own era, you no collect that. But wetin they collect now?
But then they plan to increase and don't start that time.
You hear say that they owe NYSC.
They plan to increase and don't start that time.
You see,
so no be even start the plan to increase am. Na the past government.
Oga Goodluck Ebele Jonathan.
Na the past government start the plan to increase NYSC fee. For your information.
Jonathan, we don't see so many changes under them. I don't even remember this NYSC. Our graduates are smiling. In service to the fatherland.
I wish the graduates, the same graduates who they smile. I wish they can call us to tell us that they are smiling.
You say waiting?
Yes.
Now you don't say you know be graduates now.
I am a graduate.
Because if you are not
based on unemployment.
If you are not,
I mean based on the NYSC money they talk about.
You know why your mind, you know why your belly no sweet you like this. You know why your belly no sweet you? Because you see this transformation. You try so you see me I tell you if you on AC inside room.
Like the way they here now.
Thank you very much. Good. Whether you like him or not, he must blow you.
Of course, no.
Thank you.
We not feel run away from him.
So this transformation when Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, the uncommon changer, the changer of destiny, the mover and shaker, the miracle worker.
Make you also know say the aircon they mentioned they restricted.
Which restricted?
Near day for this room.
You say what?
But the other office, you know that aircon they blow them
because
there?
Those people they outside a defined boundary.
Yeah.
Outside a defined boundary.
What do you mean by outside a defined boundary?
So none of you now we no agree to accept the transformation. Now his son they beat.
Now song go beat.
There is space under it.
Now song go beat.
There is space under it.
I don't blame you.
There is space under it.
I don't blame you.
There is space under it.
I don't blame you.
Nigerians know what I'm talking about.
Nigerians know what?
There is space.
Nigerians know what?
There is space
under it.
What do
Nigerians know?
There is space under it. The thing where they protect us from sun,
protect
from rain.
You and your people.
You no one green now.
Why I go green?
They carry broom up and down.
Why I go green?
For 2015.
Why I go? Very soon that broom will sweep you off.
With the use vacuum cleaner, you see the carry broom. Is that what we are talking about? Nigerians.
Sweep you off.
No, Nigeria. Listen to me. With the use vacuum cleaner, people don't see tablets, cooling tablets. People they tap them. You see they carry phone when they heavy you for pocket. Now dumbbell you they use. Why don't you want transformation? Answer the question. 10 Nigerians. 10 Nigerians.
How far has this transformation gone?
Thank you very much. We can see it.
How far has the transformation gone?
125 Almajiri schools.
Chukwudi.
No,
they give me visible. They talk about the internal structure, internal development.
Our
you
people
don't give me.
Jules,
Anyway.
will you calm down?
Anyway.
Our people went there for house. E be like say we go rush, enter break small. We don't drop 2 of the things when we say happen over the weekend. When we come back, we go just look 2 other ones sharp. As per say, as it take concern the distribution of PVC and 1 other story. Then we dey hope say our ogbonge guests go don come that time when we come chook mouth for this matter. But before we go this market, come and make I talk another one. We win Nations Cup now. After so many years, all these things now sign say even the God of soccer they happy with us. Will they come back?
You know the shame.
You go hear am too.
You know the shame.
You go hear am. Welcome back to As E Dey Hot, the ogbonge program wey give you license to talk am. As e dey pay you for body on top of the Chiama television station, Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. And wetin we dey discuss today na some of the things wey happen inside the Nigerian political terrain over the weekend. We don chook mouth on top of 3 of these stories. The first one we look na the one wey be say Governor Ayodele Fayose talk say whether they like am or not, say Oga Muhammadu Buhari, presidential candidate of the APC, say no go become presido. He talk say no see am. He go spiritual, come dey prophesy. The second story when we look na the one wey be say Oga Jonah come out when he dey do interview with This Day. He talk say him and in government they underestimate Boko. Na him make the Boko people come get some kind power, but now they don dey tidy them. Number 3 na say our Nigerian army people wey be say they give their life for this our country so that peace go dey, they don retake Bagatan. And this one na wetin people dey call psychological blow to Boko Jaguda people, because our army people now go get confidence say since January 3rd when these Boko people don take over this town, they don take am back. I go through and go give Nkubi make we continue the stories wey happen over the weekend.
Yes,
As E Dey Hot.
Another ogbonge story me and you know about, we also make trend, we also dey very, very popular. Now, the way Oga Jonah come out talk, say, look, say OBJ, that is the former president, now like Papa in before him. That is, wait,
Jonah,
say OBJ, hold on, let me talk. Let me get the floor, hold on. So, OBJ be like Papa to run. Say, in fact, now he be the political first son of Oga OBJ. Well, I come talk say, okay, maybe all this talk where you all they talk, you know, say, would they also get prodigal sons? She be no. And Oga Jonah don't come and talk say he be first son. But on the second thought, you know whether he don't do, you know, say, in relationship with Oga OBJ, he get as he be. And then you also remember the story for Bible where talk say, look, prodigal son where we say he do it, you show stubborn head, he waka come out. Maybe he don't they come and say, look, my papa deal, now I come back to them. But all those why where Oga OBJ they raise the matter where they raise, say, look, my pikin, get this thing right, get this thing right, do this in this way, do this in this way. We no get address him. Waiting make come they realize now say now be the first son of Oga OBJ for political matter. You
know the first thing when I go first talk for here and I say. I dey always every time when I wake up, I always pray to God.
That what?
Say if I grow finish, make I get this the meekness of heart, like our president, Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. Some people don't already they come out they talk say even when we throw the phone lines open, people they talk say why Baba go tear in ID card, why Baba. Some even of una people don't even come and talk say hey, make we see what you can come from there. But when Oga Jonah speak, excuse me, I have the floor. Wait. I have the floor. Okay. I have the floor. Don't stop me.
Okay, right down.
When Oga Jonah speak, what did he talk? Say Baba is my father and I am his first political son. You know what in the pen una? Jealousy, now they worry una. Jealousy. Because una don't deal well una they look say, problem not enter their family, they will cause problem. But our president, maturity, what do they call maturity? Maturity, responsibility.
Not be the same brothers of una people. They try make arrangements on how to go do it and go low Baba, make it come back.
Thank you very much.
On what ground?
Thank you. If you spend money finish to marry your wife.
So try say, look, Baba has been on the right track. So everything they talk about, he has been right about it.
You say wetin?
To call your pikin to order. Pikin no gree here, no gree here. Wetin you go do? You go leave am to him word. That was what that's exactly what Baba did.
No be wetin Baba do be that.
That's exactly what Baba did.
That's
Baba don talk. Pikin wey no go hear, wey no wan hear word, no go hear word.
That's a fallacious statement.
What makes it a fallacious statement?
Because you are jumping to conclusion.
He don dey pain you now, abi?
You are jumping to
He don dey
conclusion.
pain you now, abi?
They are jumping to
He
conclusion.
don dey pain you now, abi?
Argument.
That is why somehow na say Baba don leave una say e just be like when Papa leave pikin say oya do what you wan do. Make pikin make up people wey surround pikin. You be like say something dey worry you. Your papa leave you. Find solution go meet am now o. Na wetin I try plan to do.
You see.
Na don dey plan am to do am already. We don dey see the sign. To bring Baba back.
You know what we believe in?
What are you?
It's a philosophy of life.
That what?
Say our papa them, now then they give us, our papa mama, now then go give us life. And they go train us. Tender loving care. That one, what people they call nurture. When they call nurture us reach one particular age, because of old age, then go call they weakened. We will call the play what they call the reverse role.
Stop there.
We go the play the reverse role.
Stop. No matter where your the nurture you reach, as long as, for instance, if I'm your papa, if I am your father,
you can't be my father.
What an example?
Don't give me that example. Don't give me that example. Not even make me verse with you. Which one be if I'm your father?
If
Which
I'm
one
your father, for instance.
Excuse me.
I can't nurture you.
Point of order. Call yourself to order.
I'm not calling myself to any order.
You must call yourself to order.
I can't nurture you reach one extent.
You can't begin to use walking stick.
No,
you can't get back pain.
That one not me say.
You can't get waist pain.
That one not me say my sense of reasoning.
You can't begin to talk. You can't begin to talk like small pikin.
Papa. That I don't want that from you.
You are a father.
Yes.
Yes.
I will never. My own father would never act that way.
You don't grow old.
People when they grow up no get sense.
Excuse me. No be wait for this example.
People when grow up no take talk.
For this example, I be your pikin. You be my papa. I accept.
Yes.
For this example, you don't grow old.
I don't
they use walking stick. You don't they use back pain. Doctor don't advise you.
Don't they use a walking stick. Oga they not they command respect.
That one.
You know they talk such way be say people dey hear.
That one now. This one na me and you example.
They try to say Oga OBJ say na the condition when they be that.
Now you they jump to conclusion.
Because what I say.
Now you they jump to conclusion.
What they're trying to say.
Now you they jump to conclusion.
Say something done they.
Okay, you don't they use walking stick. You know if you stand well for a very long time. As your son, when you train, when Mr. Don struggle, I'll come tell you say, Papa, take it easy, cool down,
but even
don't
as
rush
your
yourself.
Papa, wait, even as I be your papa at that age.
For that example.
Even if I
for
talk.
that example. Put them say for that example. Because as you talk, people will think that be small pikin. Put them say for that example.
Even if I be your papa.
For that example.
As to take talk.
For that example.
As to take talk.
For that example.
And I still talk. Even at that old age, you no go listen.
Thank you. Yoruba people dey talk.
Just swear say you no go listen.
Thank you. Yoruba people dey talk say sometimes Yoruba people go talk say agbalagba ló ń ṣe wọ́n. Wetin be the translation? Old age na im dey worry you. Say you looking for example now. For this example, you don grow old. Imagine as you go be when you old o. I just dey give example. No, wait. You when me say you never old for this real life. You don't sometimes you dey talk some kind things when me say no be true on this show. You come old finish. I no go surprise if you begin to talk say banana. If you begin to talk say banana na catapult
Chukudi.
or na arrow.
Chukudi. In fact, if not say they in a very good mood, I for slap you. No, they don't do it. Just let us now be serious. I beg, don't do it. Just let's go straight to the next matter.
You go slap me on top of our show.
You don't do you. Make we go to the next issue.
No verse now. Now talk with the talk now.
No, take the next.
We pledge peace, so.
We pledge. Go ahead.
No, we pledge peace.
Go ahead now. Go to the next
Sorry.
subject.
Our people went there for house. We still they discuss. They go. The next story we go take now when Oga Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. I go talk him again. Humble man. He go the Catholic Bishop Conference when they do for Abuja. He can talk one very important thing. What is that important thing when he talk? He talk say insinuation of interim government. That is for person to even they think say he won't even do interim government. Say na treasonable felony. Make a break him down. Insinuation na for your mind. You just they think say make I do this kind of thing. Treasonable felony na offense, ogbonge offense. It is a crime against the state. Now you versus the country. So those of you now when they come out now they talk say Oga Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, gentleman, saying they think say he won't create interim government. Now the crime now they commit with that.
They don't they guilty of waiting.
Yes.
Go back there now. Go back there, put for prison. You get delivered. Oh, because already people talk, come and talk, say, look, with the way things they go, with the way our government they plan this election thing, whether they don't want this reset to Nigerians. Say, it be like say, it be like say they talk.
It be like say, it be like
this
say.
thing don't lead to what do they call? If it eventually become interim government matter.
Okay, make I give
What I would say. So what is wrong is person airing his own opinion. We don't get freedom to talk.
Make I give you one example now. If your wife cooks stew and 7 meats dey inside pot, one come miss. One of the meats, 7 miss. She can't line up your children like this. Can't talk say, who stole the meat from the cooking pot? Can't see red color for one picking.
Stop.
No. May I give this example?
Stop.
I will finish this
in the first place.
I'm finish
in
this
the
example.
first place.
You know they cook stew.
In the first place.
Okay, palm oil stew.
In the first place, my pikin then no go ever from once even think about to say they won't go do anything, even lick the soup or the stew alone. Not to talk of even stealing meat from the stew.
Okay.
So that one no go fit happen.
Okay, sorry.
They are not thieves. They won't even try.
Okay, now fish, your wife they use the cook.
No, enough of that to example.
Okay, Pomo.
Let us go to, enough of that to example.
Oh, una stew pot they empty.
We know they even steal.
No living thing.
Then they chop. Then they even dip hand inside this to talk of to stay. They won't steal meat. So go to the next matter.
Okay, now example they use. Make we just talk say for this example now, one of your pikin they see red lipstick for your hand and one meat they meat for import. Is it safe for your wife to conclude?
It is obvious
that
all these examples they give are things where you do when you dey small. So I'm not surprised.
I can't use you as example now.
Use yourself as an example.
I must use you
because na things wey you do. I know that is why they also reflect for your body. It also reflect say look with the kind eye wey dey open, with the kind way they talk, things wey don take place when you were small don happen.
Nkubi.
No, we dey take na example.
Nkubi. Let this be the first and last time when you go use my body curse me on top of this show.
No. Wait,
excuse me.
Na example. The same way they take use me do example. Now so I take bring and take use do example.
You can't say my eye dey open. You can't say my eye dey open. What you open for my eye?
This is the talk again.
What you open for my eye?
Why they close and now?
Why you go talk say my eye dey open?
See. Nigerians, are they right with na talk? You go open. So I'm right about it. Let's go on.
Go on with the show.
Let's go on.
No, go on with the show.
Yes, on the next matter we will talk about this one under still on this is now on the PVC issue. Oga Jega don't come and talk say look say the collection of PVC don't increase small. Say it don't increase as a matter of fact. Say right now, say people don't collect their PVC don't enter 76.15%. Now part of which they try encourage our viewers. Say, look, for those of now whenever collect PVC, may not go they collect, and I'm glad that don't they respond to the collection of PVC. Chukudi, don't hear, I don't throw the next matter down.
No throw any matter, give me. You don't say my eye they open. No, excuse me.
I shall lie.
Okay.
I no lie now.
Go on with the show. No,
your eyes are open naturally.
Go on with the show.
What I'm trying to say is naturally.
When you don't explain now.
No, naturally. Okay, no. I want to make you just tell Nigerians something. Make they judge them by themselves whether your eye not open.
So you are setting me up against Nigerians. You want cause quarrel between
Nigerians. I want them
to
confirm them themselves, not be me.
Hey, go on with the show. It's okay. Go on with the show.
Okay, so and according to the listing, 52 million.
You look me finish. Tell me say my eye big on top of this show.
Should we go to the next issue now? Hold on now.
Go on.
52,419,495 people now they don't collect their PVC out of the over 68 million. This is where they register. We're supposed to collect them. So Chukudi, stay back to you.
We are making progress. Thank you very much.
That is coming from
Thank you very much.
We are making progress.
And the reason why I happy, why I beat my chest, talk say we are making progress now because of say on the 31st of January, now in this thing supposed to end. They move and go February. From February they move and go March. Now, as INEC themselves, based on the advice of the National Security Advisor, don't shift the elections. We dey see progress for collection of PVC. We no see. Why you can't be say una?
But that is not the primary reason. That is not the primary reason why they shift the election.
From
the primary reason why they get insecurity. And so insecurity we don't deal on for how long? So why would that be? Why would that be an issue?
Have we not taken back Monguno?
I'm not saying he's not taking back.
Have we not taken back Bagatan?
But what was happening?
Even the foreign minister.
All this while, why not taking back that?
Even
Why
the
come this now? As they insist, why now? When this election, they draw near. Now they take over this period, which means there is monkey hand in there.
Why he be saying that now the United States of America come begin to take this matter serious? They want partner with Nigeria. Why he be saying that now Niger, Chad, and Cameroon they chook for this matter? Why he be saying that now the foreign minister of France, they visit this region? Why you be saying that now, even France, they call the European Union to support Nigeria in the struggle against Boko Haram? Why you be saying that now?
Answer the question.
Now you go answer.
No, of course, now you answer.
Now me ask the question. Now you go answer.
Now you ask yourself because answer the question.
It's for you. It's for you to answer.
No, you never referred the question to me. You were just talking.
Okay, Nkubi, thank you very much. We go take this. Maybe Igor go answer that for you.
Okay, Igor, what?
Okay, Igor from Abuja. Good morning.
Hello. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, Igor.
Oga Shukudi.
Good morning, sir.
Now God go bless you.
Thank you very much.
May you never suffer with pain in Jesus' name.
Amen. Thank you.
For you to recognize the military, praise the military for the work when you say what they do. May God bless you.
Thank you very much.
Ukubi, now you are one us now. You, they say, person when you wear iron shoe, go ready to step on principality, go step on Sapet, everything, anything bad for Nigeria, go step on now. Good Jonathan now. He don't wear an iron shoe. Don't ready say this time around, he go destroy all of them. Now he do the work. Now he they make mad. You know when Boko Haram start for Yaradua time.
Thank you.
You talk of the leader. The leader Shakara Udata was captured more than 5 times and was taken to Abuja. When they can't go Abuja, still yet please back to Meduguri. He go come back, they go celebrate, he return. Say he don't come back again, they go celebrate her. Before they can't kill him, now they pray, say the military know they work. That one step aside. Therefore, fire matter. For fire matter, what the man they talk now correct and reasonable. Tell me what Buhari they do for the past 5 days now for London. Tell me what they do for them. You want to campaign for them for APC? No. So you go there, they go do medical report. Then again, another thing when I want to talk again. You know, say many of us for the way they watch this program, we not if they watch out for television. At times we not go fit watch out. So I want beg una for Wazobia, make una put the thing for net so that we go fit download on our app for net. So that time reach, we will just open the net like the way they download other application for TV station. We will just download those on our this thing. So that time reach for LCD Hot. Once you on your phone, once you connect to the net like this, so you get your data plan, then you watch the program live.
Okay, Igor, thank you very much.
Thank you very much, okay, Igor.
No worry, when it come to anything as the odds, we go the extra mile to use ensure say una go dey watch our program.
And they move to also make sure say una dey watch them online as we talk. Don't they in the process. Say they don't make plans for those ones already. Thank you very much, okay, Igor.
We go take this call. Obasi, they call us from Sokoto. Oga Obasi, good morning, sir.
Oga Obasi.
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Oga Nkubi.
Good morning, sir.
I greet Oga Nkubi.
Yes, I hear you. Thank you very much, sir.
I greet Chukudi also.
I greet you, Oga Obasi. I beg Chukma for this matter.
I'm taking this mouth from Sokoto.
Thank you very much. I beg Chukma.
Okay. You see, I want to choke mouth. So the point I want to make here is that Nkubi is representing APC very well. He's representing APC very well.
Thank you.
Even by violence, I can see that item of violence in him. See, look at how he said he was going to slap Chukwudi right on the stage. That is that attitude of violence that is known.
Tell him.
In APC.
Tell him.
It's not good now.
Tell him.
Another thing I want to put mouth is this political father, Oga President, to talk. You know, say the man is matured. After Obasanjo don't behave as he behaved finish, he still decided to say, it's my father. He didn't come out to say the man is stupid since he's a commander-in-chief. He still receives him as a father. Any other thing can be settled behind the closed door. You see, if it were Obasanjo, he would have said, this one is a bastard. He would have disgraced him. But the man decided to say, no matter what happens, he's still a father to him.
Thank you very much,
Thank
Oga
you
Abasi, when they
very
call us
much.
from Sokoto.
Thank you.
We appreciate you. Continue to dey watch as e dey hot. Make you dey chook mouth for this matter. You see, this matter dey very, very simple. Nigerians, I dey talk am. By their fruits, you shall know them. Not be me talk. Una don watch, una don see, and una don tell Nkubi wetin he truly be. Put mouth for wetin Oga Abasi talk.
Wait, I know the Oga Abasi don't make him point. My own opinion be that. Me, my own be na to speak wetin be the truth and nothing but the truth.
So you talk
say also
so
speak for
wait,
the people.
wait, wetin you mean now?
And nothing but that.
So
that is exactly what I am doing.
Wetin you mean now? I say Oga Abasi now. So,
I'm not saying that.
wetin you
I
mean
thought
say
say na your opinion.
No, wetin you mean say wetin he talk now? The credit
Na
wey he use
your
come.
opinion, na your own opinion about me.
So you dey talk say
but
wetin?
every other thing wey you talk, well, na still your opinion.
So wetin he talk now? You don learn from am, abi? Make we take Bongo. Bongo dey call us from Warri. Oga Bongo, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Oga Bongo.
Abeg reduce the volume of your television make we fit hear you.
Good morning.
Good morning. Abeg fire down, Mr. Bongo.
You know, say who called me now? You don't humble now.
I no. The talk still there. I no humble because of wetin he talk. Right on.
You know, say who called me now? You don't humble now. Just tell her now. You know, don't be patient. Be patient. See, Obasanjo, based on father matter, you're not supposed to behave like that. You know, say good luck get matured mind now. You understand?
Tell am.
Now matured mind. You don't know, say normally, Obasanjo did there. He don't sell 3 refineries for this country before. Not be corruptness with that.
Oh.
He said 3 refineries. You know, this is not later do I come. If for not feel retriever. So you know, go feel they come outside, they abuse your own pikin when you put for power. You don't put our power, they abuse them. Not be said, not be like father like son. So for good luck not to talk anything, he shows a sign of maturity. And the election what they postpone so. You know, see, I said they don't get effective results from inside.
Thank you very much. Oga Bongo, if we allow you, we know say you get so many other things where we say you go chook mouth inside, but we thank you and we hear your point. And the points make plenty sense. Nkubi, you see,
No.
people don't wait now. No.
That's make we round up.
Igor, excuse me.
That's make we round up.
Igor from Abuja.
No, come they take the advantage of your callers now.
From Warri.
No take the advantage of your callers now. Come they launch attack on me.
Okay, Oya talk. Apologize. Talk.
Apologize. Wait till I apologize.
Oya talk.
See, no matter what, I will still stand on nothing but the truth. I will talk as I talk, and nothing can stop me from not talking. So that now I want to talk with that. So anyway, our viewers, now here we go draw the curtain on today's edition of As E Dey Hot. As usual, we don't bring the issue to now. We don't also rub minds together, and we will still carry on that matter come tomorrow. We will be promising ourselves we will bring guests, but it's unfortunate say the guests no fit join us because of 1 or 2 issues, logistics. So anyway, what will still happen? We say we go still the updates now on issues and matter where they happen around us. From you, Nkubi, I will say bye at this point. So Chukudi.
Yes, our people may not remember say March 8th. Now it go end to collect PVC. If you never collect your own, collect your own. INEC don't talk say na 76.15%. Make we increase them so that when the time reach for March 28th and April 11th, we go vote for this country and peace go reign. What do they always talk? Nigeria and our country, no be anybody personal estate. Now all of us go join our hands together to ensure say our country continue to grow and continue to make progress. You get one thing when I go talk. Anything when you they do, whether you they speak one language or whether you they go one church or whether they do something, just they pray for we Nigerian people when they ensure say this country go dey safe, that they give their life for far away Borno State or Northeast Nigeria. Until we come back tomorrow with another topic where they come on smoke. Now as it dey hot, on top of the chairman station, Wazobia TV Star Times channel 195. We go see you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
You don't hear that today.
No, don't do it.
Everybody don't tell you.